Today we'll talk about how can you add beauty preferences on your flip app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on profile down here, just click on it. So when you click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on edit profile here, just click on it. So then it's going, when you click on edit profile, it's going to take you to this list here. So then you go down here, just keep going down here. So until you found here beauty preferences here, so you just click on it. It's going to take you to this list, and here add your hair type and skin type, then skin tone. So here can you add skin concerns here, can you select it here, so then it's going to add with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.